My name is Elijah Sheffield. I'm an advertising major from Lafayette, Indiana. When I was 6 months old, I was at a babysitter's house, and he got upset at me and shook me until it was quite obvious that I had died. And he called the paramedics, and they eventually got me to a hospital where they operated on me. They told my mom that I would either be dead within the next few months or I would have some severe mental disabilities. My mom worked very hard with me to make sure that I got what I needed and I was continuing to get better. I've got really terrible vision in this eye and a little bit better in vision in this eye, but in middle school I found out that I'm slowly losing my eyesight. Eventually I probably will go blind, and that was especially discouraging considering I had found at a very young age that I really enjoyed art. I love taking pictures because it's almost like even after I lose my sight, people will still be able to see kind of the things that I saw and I got to experience. Yeah, this summer I got really interested in animation and motion graphics. I realized what I wanted to do was to tell stories, whether that be through animation, through photography, videography, or just simple drawings. I really like telling stories. And so right now, it seems a little silly to be pursuing photography and animation and that kind of field, knowing I'm losing my eyesight. But the way that I see it, no pun intended, eventually I will only be left with my ideas. And I want to show people that I have good ideas by doing animations and photography and videography now, while I still can see. Eventually down the line, if I do lose my eyesight, I will have proof that I do indeed have good ideas and be able to delegate to those who can see to kind of carry on my vision. Whenever I found out about my eyes, one thing I would hear a lot is this phrase that God, gave you this adversity so you could use it for the furtherment of his kingdom. And while that's, I guess, a good thought, I don't think God would plague his children with something and cause it to use it towards his gratification. I think these things just happen because there's evil in the world, and I was reached by wickedness at a very young age. Because of that, I'm able to use that to further his kingdom, but it was not caused by God. Just to anyone who might be going through something and thinking, God gave me this ailment, it's a bigger picture than that. It's done out of the wickedness of men, but it can be used for something good.